You watching Top 5 Best Subwoofers. Number 5. MTX Audio Terminator Series TNE212D. Houses two 12-inch Terminator subwoofers, TNP212D2, or a vented enclosure. Ideal solutions for anyone looking to add bass to their vehicle. Ruggedly constructed using 5/8 MDF and aviation-grade black carpet. 5/8 MDF construction. Please check the description for details and update price. Number 4. Pioneer TSSWX2502 10-inch shallow. Music power, nominal 1200 W, 400 W, frequency response, 20 Hz to 125 Hz, sensitivity, 1 W/1 M93 dB, impedance, single 4 Omega type bass from a shallow compact design, reinforced mica injection molded resin preloaded subwoofer cone. Please check the description for details and update price. Number 3. Dual Electronics BP1204 12-inch. Increased output capability, specialized tuned port with computer-aided design and 2.5 voice coils vastly increases output efficiency for your subwoofers, providing you with consistent low-sounding bass. Digitally optimized subwoofers are carefully crafted for efficient and accurate bass, providing power handling up to 1100 watts of peak power, 600 watts RMS at a 4 ohm impedance and frequency range between 30 Hz to 100 Hz. Curved plexiglass viewing window Illumi-NITE design with brushed aluminum subwoofer cones create a surreal viewing experience, while the ventilated control circuitry system ensures delivering studio quality performance. Please check the description for details and update price. Number 2. MTX TNE212D12 1200W dual loaded. MTX TNE212D12 1200W car subwoofer enclosure. 1200 watt max/400 watt RMS subwoofer. Box dimensions: 14HX29-11/16WX13-1/2D1X11-1/8D2. Planet Audio AC 1500.1 M 1500 watt mono car amplifier. Please check the description for details and update price. Number 1. Rockford Fosgate P300-12 Punch 300. Constructed with 5/8-inch MDF. 12 AWG input terminals. Class D amplifier, 300 watts RMS. Frequency response 35 Hz to 150 Hz. Remote bass level control included. Sealed enclosure, for tight, accurate bass. Dimensions: 15HX 19.8 WXD111, D27, inches. Frequency response is 35 Hz to 150 Hz. Please check the description for details and update.